This is a teardown of a Micro 1100 series 256 gig SATA SSD, model MTFDDAK256TBN. And apparently it was pulled from an HP based on the HP part number there. But it is bad, so let's take a look inside. Oops. This is going to be a destructive opening because it's going to get smashed after this. I need more fingers. It's clipped together. You should be able to take it apart nicer way than this, but I don't really plan on saving this, so it doesn't matter if I destroy it. Looks like you need number 1 Phillips for that little screw there. Or no, number 1, I'm sorry, number 0. Ta-da! Bottom cover. Got a Marvell controller with some Micron memory for caching, presumably. We also have 2 Micron chips here for storage. I'm guessing those were 128 gig each. Looks like this might be a firmware chip. And then a little bit of capacitors for power filtering and presumably temporary power loss. Not a lot, but something. So yeah, very interesting, and thanks for watching.